Welcome to a tutorial on how to deposit funds for Gold Rush Victory so you can purchase a position. Here I am in the back office. I want to deposit funds so I can get started. Everyone needs to start off at the $45 matrix. I will just click on deposit funds so I can get me a position. I see it says other processors, so I'm going to click on the drop down menu so I can select Stripe. You can deposit funds using a credit or a debit card by using the Stripe option. They take Visa, MasterCard, Maestro, American Express, JCB, Discover, Diners Club, Union Pay, Google Pay, and Apple Pay. They also accept gift cards and prepaid cards. Credit or debit card is automatic. You do not need to go to purchase a position. You will automatically be placed into the matrix. A processing fee is added to bring the total charge to $47.25. Once I click on Pay with Stripe, I put in my email, my card number, month and year of expiration. Then I click on Pay. Then once I'm done with that, I go check my matrix positions. If I see it's all good, then I know I am home free. Then you have the other processors option. You have to wait for the funds to appear in your back office, and then you can select purchase position and get your spot in the matrix. For the other processors, you have to add $5 to the total to cover the processing fees. These choices are Bluebird, Bitcoin, Cash App, Google Wallet, Zelle, and Venmo. Check and see that the funds were deposited. Click on Deposit History. If you see it, you can then click on Purchase Positions.